In this video, you'll learn how to build a responsive website using Webflow. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a fully functional website that adapts to various screen sizes. Begin by navigating to Webflow's dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, you should see your workspace overview. This is where you will manage your projects and sites. Next, locate the button labeled New Site on the dashboard. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new website. After you click, a window will appear prompting you to choose a template or start from scratch. After that, you will need to select a template. In the template selection window, you will see various categories. Browse through these options and choose one that suits your needs. This choice is critical as it will determine the layout and design elements of your site. Once you have selected a template, look for a message that may appear indicating not seeing what you're looking for. This is a prompt to help you explore more options if the initial templates do not meet your expectations. Continue by clicking on the View More in Marketplace link. This will take you to an expanded selection of templates available for your website. It is important to explore various options to find the best fit for your project. After exploring the marketplace, filter your options by selecting Free Only. This ensures you are only viewing templates that do not require a purchase, making it easier to find budget-friendly designs. Next, choose a template that aligns with your vision for the website. Click on one of the displayed templates to see more details. This will help you understand the features and layout of the template before making a final decision. Once you find a suitable template, click on View Details to gain insight into its capabilities. This page will provide information on the template's design and functionality, allowing you to make an informed choice. Now you will need to click on Use for Free. This option allows you to start using the template without any cost, enabling you to proceed with creating your website. Following this, click on Create Site. This action will finalize the selection of your template and initiate the website creation process. You should see a loading indicator as your site is being set up. After the site is created, you will again need to click on Create Site to confirm the action. This step ensures that your new project is officially established within your Webflow dashboard. Finally, it is time to customize the template. Click on the template you have chosen to open the editor. Here you can modify text, images, and layout to match your branding and content needs. Customizing your site is essential for making it unique and functional. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.